Mumbai witnessed heavy downpour in the last couple of days, leading to waterlogging in several parts. This even brought transport services to a halt. Several photos and videos of the heavy rainfall and its aftermath were shared on social media. One of them was of a palm tree dangerously swaying due to strong winds. The tree's movement had reminded netizens of several Bollywood songs including Aaya Sawan Jhoom Ka, Idhar Chala Main Chala and Jhoom Barabar Jhoom. Now, another hilarious video is being widely circulated on social media. The video features two men making the most of waterlogged streets. They were seen floating on what seems to be a mattress. The video shared by Twitter user Real Shelly Moore is captioned, "To chill maar, tension na le Mumbai style." The video has been going ever since it was shared online.